How many of you believe in the notion that your thoughts have some effect on your future experiences? Just put up your hands if you believe that. You're going to learn is you're going to discover how to train your brain to think beyond negative circumstances, replace stressful thoughts, so you can improve your mood quicker. Question I have for you is, what is a challenge you're experiencing in life right now that you would like to overcome? Science has been telling us for centuries now that energy creates matter. Then wouldn't it make sense to tend to your energy first so you can easily create you're so powerful because your thoughts produce emotions, and the emotion offers a frequency, and that frequency is your energy. And your energy is what creates your attitude and your mood. And your attitude and your mood is what determines the quality of your experiences. Now, this scale reveals how every emotion offers a frequency. And that's why some people, they thrive at the worst of times. And some people suffer at the best of times. What does that tell you? And what do I mean by you have time to change your mind? A thought you have reaches a combustion point at 17 seconds of pure. You can't feel good right now, but you can always feel better. What do I mean by that? So, how are you going to apply this to that limiting thought, that challenge you want to overcome, the one you wrote down? How are you going to create less resistance? How do you raise your frequency about it? How do you improve the outcome around it? You change your thoughts, you change your energy. You change your energy, you change the outcome. Period. First, you have to shift perspective. So we're going to do that together. It has been an honor and a pleasure to serve all of you today. Thank you for your time and attention.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was wonderful.